All right, hello, everybody. Welcome to today's very specific live stream. So you guys already know why we're here. Right, we're here to trade the US CPI release. Right, that's basically what we're doing here. Give me a minute. Okay. All right, that's perfect. All right, guys. So we're here to trade the US CPI news release. All right, and I want to believe that you guys can see my screen clearly. Okay, so we're gonna just run through as usual. You guys know how we do it. We go through the majors. All right, once we look through the majors, then we are able to, step a bit forward. Step a bit forward to say, all right, what is this particular news going to mean for us? All right. And by now, you guys should already know the name is Adetola Freeman, right? Adetola Freeman, and this is what we do. During the NFP release, we had a quite hectic performance from the financial markets. We saw the market, give a very, very, very nasty whipsaw, right? Give a very nasty whipsaw, and that was, um, you know, that was not nice for everybody. Although for those who were able to, um, you know, for those who were able to follow every instruction that were given, all right, or every instruction that was given, they were able to still end in some bit of profit. All right. So my assignment here today is to help you make money. All right. But I would not be able to do that if you refuse to follow the rules. I will not be able to help you make money if you do not follow the rules. All right. So that's why the rules are written clearly on your screen. All right. Rules for trading the news. Only fund amounts you are willing to risk. All right. When there is high volatility news release, all right, we often have or observe that slippage, becomes really, really heavy. All right. And when slippage comes on like that, what usually happens, or the general outcome, the usual outcome is that at the end of the day, when the price gets to your stop loss, it's your stop loss order will get triggered at a price much farther away from where you actually intended to put it. All right, because that's literally what slippage is. It means that the market is moving so volatile, all right, that orders get triggered, a bit later. You understand? Others get triggered a bit later after, the onset of the others. XDS man, this is the reason why a lot of people lose money in the markets. There is impatience, so much impatience from financial market traders. All right, the news is not for another 20 something minutes, and I'm still trying to explain the rules to you, but all you care about is whether it's going up or down. My answer to you on that question is it's going wherever you choose to make it go. So it's your decision. You're completely responsible for it. But if you're going to follow what I'm going to say on this stream, you're going to have to play by my rules. All right? I sincerely don't want to know where or how well or how long you've been trading for. But if you're on my stream, you play by my rules. All right? You play by my rules. If you cannot do that, you can please just excuse us. All right? Because I will not have it on my good conscience to know that somebody on my stream lost money when they could have easily done better. Okay? So just relax. All right? Let me go through the rules, then we look at the chart, and then I give you the directions. Okay? Just be patient. That's all I need. That's all I ask of you. Thank you. All right. So once again, the rules: only fund amount you're willing to risk. And the reason why is because if, for example, all I'm willing to risk is $50, ensure that all that is in your MT4, MT5 trading account at that point is the $50. All right. Don't end up saying, oh, I want to risk $50 out of my $2,000 and then leave the entire $2,000 on your MetaTrader account. The reason why that will not end up, your stop loss will not end up with a $50 risk is because on the overall, when market begins to move, all right, orders will get triggered a bit later. And that's why the number 2 rule is beware of slippage. Slippage is simply a scenario or a situation in the market where orders get triggered at a later point than where you initially expected them to. Okay, so that is for number 2. Then number 3, and this is why when you join sessions like this is why I advise that you join sessions like this and then you trade on your PC. All right, join sessions like this on your phone, then trade the entries on your PC. The reason why is because the 3rd rule here says that you must be able to use trailing stops. All right, you must be able to use trailing stops. And I've given, I've demonstrated the trailing stops several times, and I'm still going to do that again today. So what's a trailing stop? So say, for example, I want to buy from somewhere here, and then I want to set my buy stop. All right, you can see my buy stop order. It's already here on the chart. Okay, so what do? I can then come here, all right, to my toolbox. I don't believe you guys can see it. To my toolbox, let me hide this text so that you guys will probably see it better. All right, I come here to my toolbox, and then when I come to my toolbox, I simply say, all right, on this order, I right click, and then I go to trailing stop. All right, once I come to trailing stop, you want to ensure that your trailing stop is not higher than 50 points. All right, you want to ensure that your trailing stop is roughly averagely 50 points. Okay, so that is how you set your pending orders. And the reason why is because on this stream, the way we trade the news is by applying what I call the straddle trading strategy. All right, so we trade the news using the straddle trading strategy. All right, I know it sounds like it's like a tongue twister, but it is what it is. Jonathan Felipe, no. For news trading, I specifically use straddle trading. For normal trading during any of my other live streams, I use smart money concepts, but not the general one. I have a I have a concise smart money concept that I created myself that I use during my other general live streams, right? But on this session, we're going to be using straddle trading strategy. Somebody say, "Ee-hee!" One, two, three, four, five. Once I cut a fish alive. Six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Then I let it go again. Talkback Henry made $83 last week. Yeah, hopefully we get another big win today. All right. I don't control the markets, but if you follow my rules, you should be fine. I don't control the markets, all right, but if you follow my rules, you should be fine. Which finger did that bite? This little finger on my right. Woo! All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I cut a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. So why did you let it go? Because it beat my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. The final say. Mackenzie, lovely, lovely. You made $148 last week. That was from the NFP stream, right? The rules are on the screen already. All right, Clinton Rock made $205. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Beautiful. These are my people. These are my people. You feel me? Beautiful. How can you appreciate me? No more. Just search the name Adetola Freeman on Google. You'll definitely be able to connect with me. Definitely, definitely. And your testimonials go a long way to, encourage me to do a lot better. Ngaleka, my African friend. Good afternoon. So when somebody asks me whether the market is going up or down, my answer to that will be, who has the final say? Nigerians in the house can complete it for the person. Okay, all right, let's start. I think it's time to get started. 1 hour time frame. Remember, I've told you many times that just before the news, all right, you want to see some bit of consolidation. All right, what that consolidation does is that it's going to help you. The consolidation is going to help you know what the current range is, all right, then predict the breakout of that range. To see Kenneth, like I said, Adetola Freeman is the name. Anytime, anywhere, you can search that name and then you will be able to reach me. All right. If you have questions that I'm unable to answer on this particular stream. All right. Which pair are we trading? Yes, we trade the majors and then gold. GU, EU, gold, and then AUD, USD. All right. Alex Granada, you're welcome, bro. You're welcome. Peace on you, bro. Peace on you. All right. And by peace, I mean, PEACE, not the other one that you do on the white throne. All right. So let's go. For Euro USD, how do we define our range? All right, that looks like the overall buy level. Come on. All right. But interestingly, there's a fair value gap here with a demand zone here. Right. So for me, I think my sell side liquidity is here. Of course, patience. Powell's speech will definitely, well, maybe not affect CPI, all right, but that speech is most likely based on, statistics that affect CPI. Do you get it now? It's most likely based on statistics that, affect the CPI. Joshua Kipto, we're waiting. We'll find out together whether the dollar will get strong or weak. All right, but in my opinion, I think the dollar is pretty weak and probably should get weaker. All right, but let's see how that goes. All right, 1, 2, beauty. 2, 3. Who has the final say? He has turned my life around. He has turned my life around. Where there seems no way. We use the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. Alex Granada. All right, because of you guys asking what commodity, I think I'm just going to do this. I believe that answers everybody's questions. All right, so this is 1 hour time frame on Euro USD. And the way the market is right now, I'm just going to map out the locations. Yes, I think the dollar will get weaker, basically. All right, I'm just going to mark out locations, all right, so that a few minutes to the release of the news, we can come back to revisit those areas and then see how prices performed. Franklin Chibuike offer. Please hold on, okay? It's your first time, like you said, and you need to know how things work here. It's not about analysis. Like I said, we're going to be trading using the straddle trading strategy or the straddle approach. And the straddle approach simply is an approach where we want to catch the breakout as a result of the volatility from the news. All right. Just marking boundaries for now. Two. All right. So let's see how price does within that range. Eric Matthew, to be very honest, like I said, whatever your opinion is, all right, trade it. My job here is to show you what I think, all right, not tell you whether what you think is right or wrong. I don't know if you understand that. So my job here is not to point out, oh, this, your sentiment is wrong, this, your analysis is wrong. No, that's not my job here, all right? For you to expect or anticipate a bearish market, all right, you already have criteria that you considered, all right, that I probably do not trade or that I probably am not even aware of. All right, so trade your sentiments. I'm going to trade mine, all right, and then we'll just see how it goes. John Allen Ippolito, Swagger. Please hold on, guys. I know you want me to give you the figures, but like I said, I'm just mapping out regions for now. All right, I'm just mapping zones right now because I don't want to give a figure right now that the price is then going to activate before the news. All right, that price is going to activate several minutes before the news. That's not going to work for me. All right, and I've shown you guys a practical demonstration of how to set your trailing stop to ensure that you are secure. And in case you're not aware of the rules, all right, the rules are on your screen right now. Ensure that you follow those rules to the letter. Powell could mean a lot of things. Clinton Rock, absolutely yes. Match-wise predictions, it could mean a lot of things, but you must also understand that the dollar and gold are not competitors. All right. The dollar is a currency, all right, owned by a country, whereas gold is a commodity. All right. Gold is a commodity, the dollar is a currency that we made into a commodity, all right, for trading purposes. You get it now? So, of course, it's right, but we know that Powell at this point speaks in parables most of the time, so it's important to be able to dissect what could be the deeper meaning to what he's saying. All right, so what that would probably mean is that, oh, yes, Mahuma, I am using stop orders. All right, and I'll give the figures for the stop orders when the time comes. So yeah, we need to see how that what role that plays on the market. What are trailing stops? Please, if you don't know what trailing stops are, then you shouldn't be trading today. All right, then please, 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 you shouldn't be trading right now. Please do not join the trade if you do not know what a trailing stop is. All right, I'm pleading with you right now. Buy stop 1.0. Sell stop. My sell stop. All right, I think we'll just let the trailing stop do what it should do. So on Euro USD for your trailing stop on the sell stop order, all right, the sell stop order, make sure that your trailing stop is a lot slimmer. All right, make sure that your trailing stop on the sell stop is a lot slimmer. Okay. Lucipedi, if you're asking about gold buy or sell now, all right, you're probably very late. Delay. That's 1 point. Guys, don't forget your trailing stops. Ubuntu, if you think DXY is going to rise, then please trade in that direction, okay? You don't have to spam the chart and ask what are trailing stops. If you don't know what trailing stops are, it means that my style of trading will not work for you. All right. And if it's not going to work for you, then don't flog it, don't beat it. All right. If it's not going to work for you, use the exact strategy that told you that DXY is going to be strong. All right. Use that exact strategy that you used to decipher that the DXY is going to be strong. And I can assure you, you'll be fine. All right. You'll definitely be fine. I'm killing it, killing it. Let some people them know like they make a bone them, but you know say I love them. Only cause you do, no concern you. Only cause Fuji, Asomeji. Only kapala, Amumila, Umila, but it don't mean say. No mean say because you know about my style. 886.2. All at all. I am bad at pass. Come in, say, because you know about my style. All at all. Right? Sell stop. Let's do 28654. All right? Trailing stops intact. All right? Ensure that your trailing stops are intact. This is sell stop on gold. You can take a screenshot. AUD USD. I think we're just going to skip this one. Although, let me see if I can quickly write the figures out before the time. Buy stop 0.62822. Sell stop 0.62692. Right? That's gold. So this is gold. Sell stop, buy stop. This is GU, buy stop, sell stop. This is EU, buy stop, sell stop. All right, it's almost time for the news. All right, all TPs cleared. All TPs cleared. EU, GU, including gold. All right, but I think gold is just getting triggered anyways. So ensure your trailing stop is intact, guys. Ensure your trailing stop is intact, guys. Are you making money? Oh, come on. Who's making money? Let me know, guys. Let me know, guys. Money Diary. CPI will shock people today. Of course, it's shocking people already. Louis Tebi, you just made 1,350 USD. Don't worry, I'll send you my agent's number. You can send your tithes. If you're not making money right now, then you didn't attend this session, bro. You just didn't attend this session. I off cap for myself. Twale Agbalagbi. John Allen Ippolito. This is not an ego contest. Nobody is saying you were wrong or right. When you said it was going to be strong, I said trade what you can see. Abi, how it's difficult now? Clinton Rock, please and please and please just reach out to me. Adetola Freeman is the name. You can search on Google. You'll get access to all of my socials. All right, you can just follow me, and then we'll talk there. All right, so that's practically as much as I can do. All right, that's basically as much as I can do on this platform right now. Oh, lovely, GBPAUD. Give me some movement there, bro. All right, so that's practically what we do. All right, this is how we print money back to back to back to back. Jonathan Masai, you are welcome, brother. You are welcome. You have shoe for me, Twale now. Twale, you get as it be. Ubuntu, do I teach fundamentals? Practically, everything in the market can be learned. All right, I know fundamentals. At least I'm pursuing a macroeconomic degree, but to a large extent, fundamentals is too broad to teach. So I think what I just share with people is this straddle trading concept. All right, once I show them the straddle trading concept, that settles their need to learn about it. Nitro Man, you've made some 3K dollars again. You're running. Lerato made 3,000 rands. Stop playing. Somebody say, stop playing. Mackenzie made $278. Fantastic, fantastic. That's beautiful, bro. That is beautiful. That's freaking beautiful, bro. Who else made some money? Who else made some money? Let's hear you. This is the point where Yoruba people will say appreciation. Mo dúpẹ́, oníbu ọ̀rẹ́, bàbá gbọ́ pẹ́ mi. Eric Matthew made $800. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I love hearing you guys make money, all right? That sound, makes me feel so impressed. And CDB Basi, if it pushed your entry too far, then you need to change your broker. FBS is the only broker that you should be thinking about right now. All right? And CDB Basi, FBS is the only broker you should be thinking about right now. Wanted bull from 100 to $567. Stop playing! Oh, beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to run away soon. All right, because, man, you guys be oppressing this innocent young man, bro. But I think you get the gist. Like I said at the beginning, my job here is to help you make money. All right. So that from the money you make, all right, you join us in, you join us in this journey, all right, of earning some good quality cash from FBS, your most trusted broker. All right. Trust me, trust FBS. We mean business. All right. When it comes to helping you make money, we mean business. Tommy Hill made $7 on a $34 balance. Profit now, profit. Oh, you better pass me, you blow account. Oh, Beatrice. Oh boy. Our destiny help ourselves, they find help, bro. All right, all right, all right, all right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're making money this year. Promotion this year. Testimony this year. This year. This year. Ọdún yìí, àsàn wá sówó, àsàn wá sáyọ̀, àsàn wá sí gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn fi láyọ̀. If you know that song, then you listen to the radio a lot and you're Nigerian. And CDB Basi, you should close your trade. Obviously, your broker does not like you. Close that trade. Leave that broker ASAP. Daniel and Zebo, will there be a reversal? Honestly, I don't know. And to be sincere, I really don't care. I've made money. I'm out. It's greed of trying to chase the market that causes problems, all right? Make your money, get out, go have some fun. $77 secure. Chukwe Buka Ayanwu, that's about 100 and something K in Naira now, all right? So you did good. You did good. That's more than a month's salary, so you did good. You did good. You did good. I love that for you. Somebody tap your neighbor and say, neighbor, Freeman, na babao. Normal, 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 normal. All these things na normal levels. All right. Can we call it a day on the stream now? Can I go now? You guys, I need to hear from you. Can I go now? Have you made enough? Normal vibe change. You sabi as the going they be now. Based on statistics, you sabi as they be now. Guys, please, can I go? Do you guys release me? Boss Larry Dion, please avoid a buy. What are you looking for with the buy? Calm down. I've told you after the news, if you're going to take an opposite trade or you want to trade the trend, wait for at least an hour. No, they jump enter market where the candle never even close. Eh? This is just a single 1 hour candle. What are you trying to say? That CPI pushed the market one direction, but you know better because you drew lines on your chart. Your lines are more accurate than whatever is coming from the federal bank in the United States. And no be trend line they push market to, my brother. Because that your trend line self na person liquidity. But don't let's go there. Don't let's go there. So, like I said, guys, Friday is Valentine's Day. All right. If you would like to be my Val, you can just search my name on social media. Let's connect, all right? And let's have some Valentine love conversations, all right, that can be mutually beneficial for everyone. Clinton Rock, thank you, thank you, thank you. See, I don't try. Even me, self, no, see, I don't try. Yes, please delete the buy stop others. The market has chosen a side and we are fortunate to be on that side. So delete the buy stop others, exit your sell orders, and let us share the grace. Eric Matthew, don't let anybody get greedy. Let them take their profit and get out. All right. Clinton Nayenga. All right, no problem. There's always going to be next time. We're going to stream NFP next month. We're going to stream CPI next month. Every Monday, I'm streaming in the FBS Analytics and Education YouTube channel, Telegram channel rather. All right, every Monday in the Telegram channel. Then every other day on my own YouTube channel. So you really can't miss me. Umo, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can't see the buy stop on AUD USD. Sorry about that. On CDB, Basi, your broker is from your village people. Even Felix, thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. In fact, if you go through the entire channel, you see several live streams that we've had, and you can follow the track record and all the results we've had over 2 years. All right, excess of 2 years. All right, thank you so much, guys. This is where we share the grace for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this remarkable CPI live trading session. It's been an absolute honor and pleasure hosting you guys. All right, till next week, Monday on the Telegram channel, or next month, first Friday next month, for NFP on the YouTube channel. My name remains Adetola Freeman Ogunkunle, signing out and saying, God bless you. Have a fantastic rest of the trading week. Bye-bye.